What's up, guys? So this is Hinman Hall. This is one of the first year living options. It's about 6 years old. It's only first years, dry dorm, and we're gonna show you inside. So follow me. So the first floor is just all amenities, and I'm gonna show you guys the lounge, mailboxes, study room, kitchen, and laundry room. So this is the lounge. Great place for people to watch different events like Super Bowl, singing competitions, like American Idol, anything like that. Good place for people to hang out, play games, video games, board games, anything like that. We have mailboxes that are in every single residence hall. You get mail directly to the residence hall. Packages you pick up in the Welcome Center. Over here is the study room. You have free access to computers and printers 24/7 as long as you get into this building. Also on the first floor, we have a full kitchen and laundry. So I'm gonna show you the kitchen first. Here's our laundry room. There's 4 units per the building. It's a $325 full wash and dry. It takes card, no change, and nobody ever has to wait for laundry because people do it at random times. I did mine at midnight, 10 a.m., 3 p.m., anytime I really wanted to. So this is the second floor. Second and third floor are completely identical. There's pods, both separated by gender, and then the study room in the middle, 24-hour access as long as you're in the building. So this is what a Hinman room looks like. It comes with these 2 beds. You're gonna have the desks, and then you're gonna have the windows here. Some have an extra window, but there's always gonna be a built-in closet with a dresser for you to put your clothes. You can bring basically anything as long as it doesn't produce its own heat, like a hot plate, candle, anything like that. So I'll show you a bathroom now. Pretty standard, I'd say maybe above standard. I think these are great bathrooms. 3 stalls, 3 showers, 4 showers actually, and there's another bathroom on the other side. So 2 bathrooms per pod, 4 pods total, 8 bathrooms. And then last, we have these awesome little areas at the end of each pod that looks out over campus, has all of these different couches, chairs, TVs on the wall with a DVD player, HDMI hookup, and it's just a great place for resident assistants, RAs, and friends to hang out during the day. So that's Hinman. We'll show you GPH next. So this is GPH, Grant Parks and Heath. It's another first year residence hall option for living. So let's go inside and check it out. Like in Hinman, we have mailboxes right here for GPH. This is the main lounge area too. You'll typically see students hanging out around here between classes, at the end of the day, or just whenever they're feeling like it. Down here you have a ping pong table, pool table, couches, TV, DVD player, HDMI hookup, and again, a spot for people just to hang out, make friends, and have fun. Just like Hinman, we have all the appliances here, full kitchen, ready to go. So we do have a health center. It's run by Cheryl Daggett, who's a fully licensed nurse practitioner. It's down Grant Hall in GPH, and if you ever need any medical advice or any medical attention, Cheryl's the one to go check out. Now I'll show you guys a room. So this is a room in GPH. It's a little bit different than Hinman because the walls are actually concrete instead of the drywall material. There's a not built-in closet where you can actually move around the room, 2 beds, 2 closets, 2 desks, and 2 dressers, which are actually under the beds right now. I used to live in GPH, and let me tell you, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. I had a futon, rearranged the room in so many different ways, and it works out pretty well. Now I'll show you the bathroom. So there are new bathrooms. We're not actually going to go in right now, but this is what a newly renovated Heath bathroom will look like, as well as Grant next year, and maybe Parks.